Are we having fun yet? Are we having fun yet? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're having fun. Oh, we're having fun. Yes. Oh, oh, gag too. Oh, love this. Having fun? Are we having fun?
Yes, we are.
Yes. Oh, Murphy's having fun. This is why I don't want to shoot a deer. Lesson 101, don't shoot a deer.
Up in the high meadow. I've been watching two small deer for about 40-45 minutes. This larger doe came into the area. Naturally, being the age she was quite experienced, was quite wary. She knew someone was around, but she didn't know exactly where. Using an expert hunting techniques that I've practiced throughout the years, I was able to wait until exactly the right moment to get her in position to make an excellent lung shot. The arrow right through here, right into her lungs. She ran off to the right as if she hadn't even been hit. Yet I knew she wouldn't be far and she'd be graveyard dead. I went down in the field and there she was. Put her on my four-wheeler, brought her back into camp. The guys begged me to tell me how I accomplished such a feat. I finally broke down and told them, and now I'm sharing my hunting experience all of you all also.
You got it from State Trooper, right?
You want to explain the area you had to go find the next day?
Huh?
Here we are getting ready to have a sickening testimonial.
You gotta get over here where you can hear the audio.
Oh my goodness.
You want to hear the audio, Al? This deer kill, what do you attribute your success to?
The Bill Murphy hunting film, which I borrowed about a week ago, and it's and now I decided to go ahead and purchase the film for $29.95, and you yourself can purchase the film too, and you can have a wonderful deer like this, $29.95. I'll repeat that price, $29.95. It's 1-800-PHIL-MURPHY.
We're here today with the renowned whitetail deer expert, Philip Murphy. My name's Al Adams. I'm the narrator of this show. I was fortunate enough to send in for a Philip Murphy hunting tape. As a result of that, I won the grand drawing for a free hunting lesson from the great Philip Murphy.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the West Virginia Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how a mature whitetail buck marks his territory. If you'll notice, we're in predominantly a hardwood forest. We have a lot of oak and beech here, which is favored food of the whitetail deer. However, when you're looking for a big buck in firearm season, you look for signs like this in the woods. You'll notice that all the leaves in this particular area have been scraped back. Some people might think it was a squirrel, some people might think it was a turkey, some people might think it was the wind. But if you'll notice, I don't know whether the camera can pick this up, there's a large deer track right in the middle of it. That will tell you that a buck is marking his territory.
Hopefully we'll zoom in and you'll be able to see this deer track. See the prongs pointing? That's where Mr. Murphy showed me the evidence that there's been deer in this habitat. Philip's going to show us the proper method of climbing into your tree stand. Many hunters are injured in properly entering or exiting their tree stand. It's important to have a good, stable tree stand capable of supporting a person in excess of 250 pounds. As you can see, he's now in his tree stand. He's checking out for deer sign, deer trail, trying to be very cautious not to disturb the environment, knowing that in a very short period of time there will be a deer graveyard dead within a very close distance of his tree stand. This stand is located in a very special and secret place. I've been very fortunate that Mr. Murphy, the great white hunter, will share his secrets with me. Now the great hunter Murphy is going to show us how to look